नमस्ते, स्वागत है आपका। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है फूड एंड न्यूट्रिशन। इसमें हम कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स, फैट्स और प्रोटीन्स के बारे में जानेंगे और इनके कुछ इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करेंगे। Before I start, I would like to request my viewers to note down the important points as questions repeatedly came from these topics. Let's start from carbohydrates. The things we have to know about carbohydrates are made up of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. The three types of carbohydrates are starch, sugar and cellulose. Glucose is the only source of energy for the central nervous system. Both starch and sugars are absorbed by human body as glucose. The daily requirement of carbohydrate of a normal person is 400 to 500 grams. Excess carbohydrates are converted to glycogen and is stored in the body for future use. It is stored in the liver. Carbohydrates give our body heat and energy, so it is also known as fuel food. Carbohydrate is the primary source of energy to all living beings. Lactose sugar is responsible for the growth of intestinal bacteria which helps in calcium absorption of the body. Cellulose is a fibrous substance. Cellulose is not digested by human body as it is in the fibrous form. Cellulose serves as roughage to facilitate bowel movement. Cellulose do not provide energy to human body. Now let's know about some primary sources of carbohydrates. Sources of starch are cereals like wheat, rice, maize, etc. Millets like bajra, jowar, barley root, etc. Tubers like sweet potato, tapioca and potato. Sources of sugar are sugarcane, beetroot, fruit like banana, mango, chiku, etc., milk, honey, etc. Sources of cellulose are cell walls of fruits, vegetables and cereals. Now let's know about fats. Fats are made up of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. The amount of carbon and hydrogen in fats is more than the amount of oxygen. Fats belong to the lipid family. Fats are insoluble in water and soluble in organic solvent. After oxidation, 1 gram of fat is equivalent to 9.0 kilocalories, that is 37 kilojoules of energy. Fats also provides energy. Fats helps to absorb the fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E and K. Remember, the fat-soluble vitamins are A, D, E and K. Fats helps in the synthesis of vitamin D in the body. Steroid hormone is also synthesized with the help of fats. Fats are an insulator to cold weather and external shock. Fats prevents rapid loss of heat. Primary sources of fats are ghee, butter, oil, meat, cheese, milk, cakes, cream, etc. Now let's know about proteins. Primary component of protein are carbon, hydrogen, oxygen and nitrogen. Amino acids are the basic units of proteins. There are two types of amino acids, essential amino acids and non-essential amino acids. Essential amino acids are not synthesized in the human body and to be taken from outside. Non-essential amino acids are synthesized in the human body. Proteins are body building components. Proteins enhances immunity of the body. It helps to fight diseases and infections. Enzymes responsible for digestion are made up of proteins. Primary sources of proteins are meat, pulses, legumes, nuts, milk, fish, egg, cheese, soybean, etc. Hemoglobin is the protein that makes blood red. It helps in the transportation of oxygen to the tissues. Now let's move on to our questions. Question number 1. In which form carbohydrate is utilized in human body? Options are sugar, glucose, glycogen, none of the above. And the correct answer is glucose. Question number 2. Excess carbohydrate is stored in the body as options are starch, glucose, glycogen, sugar, and the correct option is glycogen. Question number 3. The only source of energy for the central nervous system is Options are glycogen, glucose, starch, sugar, and the correct option is glucose. Question number 4. In which body part excess glucose or carbohydrate is stored in the form of glycogen for future use? Options are pancreas, stomach, liver, intestine, and the correct answer is liver. Question number 5. Which of the following elements are present in carbohydrate? Carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, hydrogen. Options are A, B, D, A, C, D, B, C, or all of the above, and the correct option is A, C, D, that is carbon, oxygen, and hydrogen. Question number 6. Which of the following is a good source of starch? Options are tapioca, honey, sugarcane, cell walls of cereals, and the correct answer is tapioca. Question number 7. To which type of carbohydrates do sapota, that is chiku, is listed? Starch, sugar, cellulose, all of the above, and the correct option is sugar. Question number 8. Corn is a rich source of, options are maltose, sugar, cellulose, starch, and the correct answer is starch. Question number 9. Cellulose is the chief constituent of, options are cell membrane, body wall of plants, cell wall, none of the above, and the correct option is cell wall. Question number 10. Fiber-rich food contains, options are fats, carbohydrates, proteins, cellulose, and the correct answer is cellulose. Question number 11. Which of the following are the functions of carbohydrates? Options are lactose sugar helps in the absorption of calcium, B, provides energy, C, both A and B, D, none of the above, and the correct option is both A and B. Lactose sugar helps in the absorption of calcium and carbohydrates provides energy. Question number 12. Dash is the primary source of energy to living organisms. Options are starch, carbohydrate, fats, proteins, and the correct answer is carbohydrates. Question number 13. Starch and sugar are absorbed in the form of dash. Options are fats, glycogen, glucose, carbohydrate, and the correct answer is glucose. Question number 14. Identify from the following a correct group of food items that we should eat more to get carbohydrate. Options are A, milk, legumes, meat, B, milk, egg yolk, sunlight, C, milk, rice, honey, D, milk, rice, lemon, and the correct option is milk, rice, honey. Question number 15. A normal person needs dash carbohydrates per day. Options are 1000 to 1500 grams. Option B, 300 to 500 grams. Option C, 400 to 600 grams. Option D, 400 to 500 grams, and the correct option is 400 to 500 grams. Question number 16. Which of the following elements are present in fats? Nitrogen, hydrogen, oxygen, carbon. Options are B, C, A, C, D, B, C, D, or all of the above, and the correct option is B, C, D, that is hydrogen, oxygen, and carbon. Question number 17. Which of the following is a fat soluble vitamin? Options are D, B, C, or all of the above, and the correct option is vitamin D. Question number 18. Which element or elements among carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen is more in fats? Option A, hydrogen, oxygen. Option B, carbon, oxygen. Option C, hydrogen. Option D, carbon, hydrogen, and the correct answer is carbon and hydrogen. Question number 19. The repeating or basic units of protein are, options are fatty acids, amino acids, glucose units, or carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, and the correct option is amino acids. Question number 20. Enzymes for digestion are proteins, carbohydrates, nucleic acids, or none of the above, and the correct option is proteins. Question number 21. Which of the following is a function performed by proteins? Options are option A, enhance immunity to fight diseases and infections. Option B, regulation of body functions. Option C, enzyme synthesis, and option D, all of the above, and the correct option is all of the above. Proteins perform all of the above functions. Question number 22. Weightlifters or athletes are generally required to make more muscles and body mass. For this purpose, they need to take a diet which is rich in Options are proteins, carbohydrates, fats or vitamins, and the correct answer is proteins. Question number 23. Which protein compound readily combines with oxygen and distributes it throughout the body? Options are water, glucose, hemoglobin, amino acid, and the correct option is hemoglobin. Question number 24. Meat is a rich source of. Options are carbohydrate, fats, protein, vitamin, and the correct answer is protein. Question number 25. Proteins are biological molecules made up of. Options are sugar, glycerol, amino acids, none of the above, and the correct option is amino acids. That's all for today. If you have any doubts, please comment us. और अगर आपको हमारा ये वीडियो हेल्पफुल और अच्छा लगा, please like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.